Why is technology and value-based healthcare the future? In the ever-changing healthcare industry, more and more hospitals and practices are turning towards a new model for providing care that focuses on value rather than volume. Here are more ways how technology helps value-based healthcare grow. Value is better than volume. The difference between these models largely comes down to how doctors and hospitals are compensated. Volume-based treatments focus on the number of services they provide, while value-based approaches measure patient outcomes in some way. Moving to a value-based model means the various providers who treat one patient will now be monetarily rewarded based on how that person does aftercare. Cost-effective treatment through patient engagement. The doctor-patient relationship is a crucial part of determining how much care someone needs, but it can be difficult for doctors and insurance companies because they are on separate teams. New patient engagement technologies break down these barriers by allowing both parties to work together towards providing the best possible outcome so patients get their treatments without having any worries or concerns about cost. Advanced patient outreach. In a value-based system, it's important that patients are engaged in their care and decisions. We need to move beyond the traditional online patient portal system that many hospitals use by implementing more advanced technologies like tracking. Tracking what treatments a patient receives, but also between visits with a doctor or nurse practitioner, so they can better understand where improvements might be needed. Hospitals are able to work with patients more effectively and efficiently through these cloud-based contact centers. Doctors can easily track patient data through health tracking apps. The use of technology to track patients' health data has given doctors an abundance of information that they can analyze. These apps provide patients constant feedback on their progress throughout each day based on criteria set by them or their doctors. Also, with the use of telehealth apps, patients can be treated remotely and avoid costly office visits. Treat more patients with the right information using wearable health monitors. Telehealth companies are using this technology as an alternative for those who might not have access to quality medical services near where they live due to either geographical constraints or insurance coverage issues. The goal of value-based care is to find the best way to treat patients while also keeping costs down. We are already seeing progress in this area and look forward to continued advancement in the years to come.